Windows 11 KB5022913 Moment 2 release with new feature download links. Windows 11 KB5022913 is rolling out as an optional update on PC running 22S2. It is a highly anticipated Moment 2 release with many new features such as a tablet optimized taskbar. Microsoft has also published direct download links for Windows 11 KB5022913 offline installer. Windows 11 KB5022913 is available in the production channel, but it won't download or install automatically. Unlike the previous monthly cumulative update, today optional update is larger as it contains several new features such as support for a tablet. Optimized taskbar being AI shortcut in the taskbar and more. You can skip the update and receive the features in March Patch Tuesday update, which is set to arrive on February 14. If you are unsure, remember that this patch is titled 2023-02 Cumulative Update Preview for Windows 11 version 22S24 x64 base system KB5022913. You can also open the above link to launch Microsoft Update Catalog, the Windows Cumulative Update Library. Click the download button to start and run the .ms installer. Windows 11 KB 5022913 Moment 2 changelog. Here a quick list of new features in the Moment 2 update for Windows 11. New search bar option. You can now customize the search to your preference. The task system tray overflow menu updated to look more modern and minimalist. Tabs in Notepad and screen recording in Snipping tool rolling out via Microsoft Store updates. Search in Task Manager, Bing Chat in Windows Search taskbar, full screen widgets, board, voice access improvements, Windows Studio effects and quick settings. As mentioned at the outset, Microsoft is bringing back the tablet optimized taskbar. With Moment 2 update, as you are probably aware, Microsoft has been working on a tablet optimized version of the taskbar for a while now. With the feature first spotted back in February 2022, the tablet optimized taskbar was originally supposed to arrive with Windows 11 version 22S2 update. Still, it was pulled and taken to the drawing board after user criticized it for limited system tray capabilities. Microsoft has reworked the tablet optimized taskbar and it's now included in the Moment 2 update production build. In Moment 2, Microsoft has taken another crack at redesigning the tablet taskbar and optimizing it for desktop user simultaneously. For those unaware, Windows 11 doesn't have a dedicated tablet, so the company relies on optimization to make taskbar-like feature tablet friendly. This new taskbar has two modes on tablets, collapsed and expanded. As the name suggests, collapsed mode hides the taskbar and gives more space to the user, which is why it is exclusive to tablet user and it's going to be very helpful if you have a small Windows tablet. Its collapsed mode, the taskbar will only have important icons like the battery bar and clock, and it will shrink itself to give more space to the desktop and apps. On the other hand, the expand mode features a full-fledged taskbar with control and icons optimized for touch clicks. It does have all the icons you did expect to a taskbar, such as a start, widgets, bar, and apps. On the tablets, you can easily switch between the two modes. To switch back and forth between the two modes, you need to swipe up and down at the bottom of the screen. You can try this feature today, but remember it cannot be triggered manually. The tablet optimized taskbar is enabled automatically when the operating system dedicates a 2-in-1 device or when the keyboard is disconnected or forwarded back. This would be default behavior or tablets, but you can turn off the feature from Settings app if you don't like a new toggle optimized taskbar. For touch interaction, when the device is used as tablet, is in the settings menu and can be turned off for the traditional experience on 2-in-1 or tablets. The optimized taskbar continues to get improvements in the preview builds, which should begin shipping to consumer in the coming weeks as the tech giant plans to continue developing Taskbar.